Hey, this is Chuck with BMW Blog, and in this video, we're going to teach you how to change the battery in your key fob. Alright, so step one to replace your battery on your key fob is to pull the hidden key out of the key fob. Once you got the key fob opened up like this, look for a little tiny notch right there, and it's going to pop this door off right there. So I have a little tiny screwdriver, a bigger screwdriver like this one will also work. Step two, take the back cover off. I take the back, insert the screw right in that little notch twist, and it will pop up. It'll pop up this little piece, and then you just simply pry it off. Right here's your battery. If you see, I don't know if you look right there, it is a 2032 lithium ion battery. I keep a whole bunch of these around my house just because you never really know when they're gonna die, but on average these last about 3 years. You can see right here there's like a little catch, so you're gonna want to pry it up from the top side. Step three, remove battery. And one of my favorite things ever in DIY world is installation is reverse removal. So you've got your 2032 right here. You want to tow it in right under that little edge. Once it's caught under there, then it'll snap down in place. This is for a 2021 BMW X3. Once you got that on, then you can just simply, again, note the little notches. If you note the notches, then tow this in here. Step five, replace the back of the key fob. It's easier said than done sometimes. So note the little notches. There's kind of a bigger one and a smaller one. Take the bigger one and shove it down in first, and once you get that one in, the other ones are easier to get. So once you got that in, then just simply snap it back in place. You'll hear a little snap, then check it. You can hear the car's coming on. And now it's unlocked, so we definitely got it. So that's for like a brand new one. Again, I expect this battery to last about 3 years. Here is how you do it in the mid. This is from a BMW i3. It's also the same key for an i8. Again, you remove this secret little key, push your thumb there, pull the little compartment here. Once you got that out, you're also going to see a little tiny notch there again, and that's where you're going to want to put your screwdriver. And once you got that in there, same thing, a little pressure twist, and you'll pop it up, and then it typically just will pop out. Again, you can see it's a CR2032. Might as well just buy the big one of these if you own a BMW, because you're going to be using these. And then same thing, it'll also pop out pretty easily right there. Again, you replace it by towing it down to the little the distal end, and then kind of snapping it down. Once you got that in place, again, look at the bigger piece right there on the backing. Stick that in. Once you got that in, then you can apply a little firm pressure until you hear a snap. Once you got that, then you're in business. Put your secret little BMW key back. Alright, and that you've just changed 2 batteries. Here is one from our 2011 E92 M3. Don't think I'll ever be getting rid of this because they're not making them anymore with the V8 without a turbo. Here's, take the key out. Again, look for your little latch. There's usually a little tiny notch right below there. You can slip this in, then twist, and there it pops out. Same type of mechanism, even going back over 14 years. So, and oddly enough, same battery, CR2032. Again, kind of tow it in. Again, you want to kind of find where there's a little V. There's a V on this, the bottom side down. So push it down there. It's kind of like a little trap. Grab the door you just dropped on the, went flying across the garage. Same thing. Kind of smash it back. Trying to tow it in and snap it back once. Then reinsert your secret hidden key there, and then you're in business. Hope you enjoyed this video on how to change the battery in your BMW key fob, and always don't forget to like and subscribe.